Welcome to Coffee and Tarot with Mama T. My name is Teresa, and I am unboxing the Wisdom of the Raven Oracle deck. I decided to not, it has a companion tarot deck that goes with it, but they're just different enough that I decided to unbox them separately. The backs of the decks look like this, of the oracle cards look like this, and this is another one of the decks that is by J. Edward Neal and Heather Neal from Shadow Art Finds. I got this deck off of Etsy, and I bought the companion guidebook to go with these decks as well, although all of the decks do say that they are designed to be read intuitively, and you don't need to buy the guidebooks to go with them at all. So let's go ahead and look at these cards and see what we have here. I love ravens and crows, and so I thought this was a great one for me. Avarice, balance, battle, chaos. Let's see if this light is kind of glaring off of the cards. Let's kind of move that a little bit. The Citadel. I like that. Yeah, I'm still getting a glare. Let me see if I can, if that helps at all. Sorry for the jiggling here. Companions. Conniving. Yeah, I'll pick these up a little bit. Creation. Death. Disguise. Oh, look at that hat on him. That is so cool. Yeah, let me pause for a minute, see if I can fix that glare. Just turned off the overhead light. Okay, disintegration. Divine. Duality. Eccentric. 11s. 1111, I like that. Esteem. Fearless. Fixation. Forethought. Guardian. Guidance. Heroism. Hunger. Initiation. Oh, that's cool. Isolation. These are just so moody. They just really capture the Halloween season. Lost Soul. Luna. I have a dog named Luna. She might come bounding up here now that she heard her name. Magic. Memento Mort. Memory. Mercy. Messenger. Mimicry. Ravens and crows are, especially crows are good at miming other animals and sounds. Mourning. Mysterious. Mythical. Omen. And this one is a French word that I don't know the pronunciation of. Wiblet. I'm not sure, but what it means is, I looked it up earlier in the guidebook. It means a dungeon, the only entrance or exit to which is through the top. So it can mean forgotten. So when this card tumbles into your hand, it often signals that you feel trapped in some part of your life, that you feel forgotten by someone who's important to you. Moreover, there is only one way out. When one is lost at the bottom of something, one must climb up. There's no avoiding it, sidestepping it, or choosing an easier road. For this journey, you're on your own. So, and then also it says, alternatively, if you've been forgotten or neglected by a key figure in your life, it can also feel like a form of imprisonment. There you are at the bottom, awaiting them to pull you to safety, but then their hand never appears. In this case, you are responsible for letting the other person know what you're experiencing. Call for their attention and know them better by how they respond. So that's the meaning on that card. Perception, prophecy, reflective, resistance, scavenger, shape changer, soaring, soul, the sun, strings. See that string with the key? Oh, another one, talisman, thawing, thief, tradition, and trinket. There you go. Another one of my spooky decks for our Halloween Samhain season. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be doing another unboxing here shortly. I hope you have a wonderful October season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.